So welcome back on my channel. Today we talk about how you can start your Hashiri lifestyle with a cup holder in the MR2 Mark 1. Because as everybody of us know, you need a cup holder if you want to be a real lonely Hashiri. Yes. Now I can. Oh, wait. Then I can drive. A lot of space here, and you can put something like a 40 centimeter bottle in it, but you don't have a cup holder. So that's why I thought about how to get a cup holder or can holder or whatever it holds for you. And that's why I start to develop this small flippable cup holder for the MR2 Society. You can order it on Threadstock or on Cals 3D if you have a 3D printer. And I hope you can enjoy the small video. We start with... Here you can see some of my prototypes, starting with a one-piece prototype, ending up by some fancy mechanisms and wrong angles and stuff like that. This was my first one, a single piece just to stick it on. But the problem is when you drive, the bottle was not really fixed in this system. As you can see, when it gets hot, this angle spread and then it doesn't fit again. So thinking about the three-piece design, here was the wrong diameter for the hinge and of course some excenter. Print again! Then the next one was these two edges, these are too wide. Print again! Then you can see these small hooks which break. So print again! And this fancy mechanism was my favorite because it looks so awesome. Here you can see it, but it was a little bit over-engineered. So print again! And this was the right angle because you have like a 60-degree, the armrest has a 60-degree angle. Here you can see it. So the bottle has to stand horizontal, and that's why you need this angle. It's a little bit strange or a little bit hard to print, but with the right setting that's no problem. How to install the cup holder on the MR2. So these are the final parts. First, you take the lower part with the two hooks and put it under the small plastic layer so that it fits. And then you take step 2, the second part, which comes into this box, and use two, I think it were M3 screws to fit or to press it to each other. So it gets a little bit of tension, and this is the whole holding mechanism of this cup holder. When this fits, you need a 4mm aluminium profile for the hinge and just stick it through, because on one side it's closed and on the other side it's open, so there shouldn't be a problem that this small rod goes out again. And that's all. Oh. So I think this should work. If you are interested in this file to print by yourself, then you can look at the link in the description on Cals 3D. You can get the file for a small fee because it was a lot of work, and maybe you accept that or not. Or if you don't have a printer, you can order it on Threadstock and someone else will print it. You don't need to buy something from around the world and ship it and fly it and stuff like that. So to buy a 3D printing file and print by yourself or print it in a shop near to you, like beam an object from A to B digital and then print it there. So I don't know why I have to ship that. The next time I will do my first carbon fiber parts for the MR2. That would be very interesting. I ordered the stuff already. So thanks for watching this video.